have here? Girls, it's time to relax. There are 3 keys here.
I like rainbow.
Me too. Calm down. First, close your eyes. Let's pick one.
Hey!
Rumi.
Okay, I will, Lucky.
Yes! Done. Now it's my turn. The girls are thrilled with their choices. Well, except for Rapunzel.
Rapunzel, you first.
Huh? Wow, it's huge inside. I will decorate this room. You need to change into your cardboard clothes first.
Okay, let's go.
Cardboard. Let's create an outfit from them.
Okay. Good. Wow. Okay.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet, get ready to dance. Shake it like you got ants in your pants. Wiggle your toes, clap your hands, stomp your feet, get ready to dance. Shake it like you got ants in your pants. Come on, shake it up now. Yeah, shake those
Wow.
and shake those legs.
If you think your outfit looks good, please leave a like so we know. Yes!
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look, your outfit looks so cool.
Thank you.
Wow, let's decorate it. We'll make the cardboard wall with just this. Here too. I need a window here. Okay, let's put a cardboard cabinet here.
Oh no!
Help me, please. Okay.
Thanks.
Oh no, it's locked. Please like the video so I can continue. Thank you. Let's place this cardboard shelf here. How about a fridge? Do you think it fits? Perfect. Simple, but I like it. I'd like to put the flower pot here. What do you think? The cardboard curtain really suits the room.
Cardboard room is ready. What about Rumi and Elsa now?
Elsa! Oh no! What's wrong? It says you need to subscribe first. Let's do it together. Thank you. My room is so empty. Please like this video so I can get some room decorations.
Okay. Wow.
We'll make the wall stunning with just this. So perfect. Awesome. Nice.
Wow.
Add this chair to your room.
Maybe it doesn't match. Thank you. Wow, fits the room. Woohoo! Beautiful. I like this carpet. Do you like it? Yay! I'll add a comfortable and soft bed here. How about a pink shelf here? Great! Please, help me! Thank you. This makes the room sweeter. I want a fluffy chair. Dolly, please help me out.
Okay.
Well, I can't wait. Let's rest together.
Hey, your outfit is not right yet. Let's go.
I'm done hiding now, I'm shining like I'm born to be. Dreaming loud, I strum my heart on this melody. Every step I take,
Looks stunning.
I find my way. Chasing stars that never fade away. We rise above, no fear, no gravity. The light inside, it's breaking.
No.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, yes. Good.
Okay.
We're shining eternally. Yeah, step in the rhythm, my heart's on beat. Drum hits strong, my rap's on heat. No holding back, we own the stage. Power and passion, we break the cage. Through the dark, we light the flame. No turning back, we call our name. Raise your voice, let the world all see. This is our glow, our legacy. We dreaming high.
Like the video if you enjoyed this feather theme.
Hey.
Dolly, I've been waiting a long time. Come explore the rainbow room with me.
Tonight we have a party in my rainbow room.
Okay.
We'll decorate right now. Wow, what a gorgeous house. Let's add a rainbow window here. It's beautiful. Great. Well, I adore rainbow rug. It's gorgeous. That's so cute! The final touch, a rainbow curtain. You're the best! How a beautiful room! Dolly, I want to change my look.
Okay.
Let's change together.
Better stand tall, better play right, step into our level. We don't fall down, we like
Wow!
unstoppable rebels, cold fire.
It's so nice!
The lightning inside. Winning's in our soul, we rise, 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 rise. Body emotion, wild and free. Late to the game, but we steal the scene. Spotlights burn, yeah, we own this stage. No fear, no cage, we let, we blaze. Knock you out with the lullaby. Feel that echo electrify. Front row seat, enjoy the run. We gon' show you how it's done.
These rainbow outfits are so beautiful, aren't they? Give us some hearts.
We gon' show you how it's done. Huh.
Hey, come in. Wow, hello there.
Beautiful. Wow, everything is so shiny.
You are so gorgeous.
You too. Time to throw a concert.